So as a first step, you need to install it. So once you get it from my Coffee page, you need to double click the RFX file. And the following window should appear. In your case, it's probably install. In my case, it's override. So click it. And the text effect will be under effects, titles, custom memories, and this is number 9, CYM action title 09. So drag it to the timeline. On my timeline, I got already some kind of graphic, because this tag animation works best when you have a graphic underneath, but without the graphic that looks like this, and with the graphic beneath it looks like this. It's a good idea also to add Gaussian blur to our graphic once the title animation is revealed. So let me go to the effects and grab adjustment clip between my title and graphic, and from OpenFX I will search for Gaussian blur and I will add it to my adjustment clip. And you can also fade in and fade out this Gaussian blur effect. The title animation adds somewhere here. So it's a good idea to make this fade in and out to be aligned with our title animation. And it's fading out starting from here. So I will also try to align it. So this is what we got by default. Okay. And now let's go through all the options, all the controls that you got in the inspector. So once you click your title animation, go to the inspector, and in here you can customize further your title effect. So what you can do is, of course, changing the text and font, tracking line spacing and center. The bolder font is the better for the effect in my opinion, but you can experiment on your own. You can change the race allocation, as well as decay, weight, exposure, threshold as well. Let me set it to default values. And in this section, you can control how far this background, this graphic will be darkened. So by controlling the alpha parameter, you can set it even up to a total black, or disable it by setting the alpha to 0. So it all depends what kind of graphic you got below. You can adjust that to your needs. You can also change the color, but only black color will guarantee full transparency. But if you wish to change the color to something like this, you can do that as well. So right now the animation will change the background to some kind of blue color. Let me know in a comment if you like it, or which of my title animation effect is your favorite. Check them out on my Coffee page. Hope you're gonna find the one that will suit perfectly the project you're working on right now. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials. Cheers and see you in the next one.